Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you the easy way to convert a CSV file to JSON. First, let's drag our CSV file onto Easy Data Transform. Here we have some information about customers. We're going to output it, so let's click to File, select JSON format, and it's created a JSON file for us. We can look at that file. And here we see there's a JSON object for each row in the CSV file. Let's say we want to change the hierarchy so that name and title both come under contact. We'll add a rename columns transform from the many transforms that are available. And we'll use a dot to show the hierarchy. The new JSON file has now been written. Let's take a look. And here we can see name and title are now hierarchically under contact. Let's save this transform file in case we want to use it again. If we had hundreds or thousands of files to transform, we could use the batch processing feature and a wildcard. See our batch processing video for more details. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. Download a free trial from our website now.